Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome to my channel Kralkur. Hope you all are doing great. I want to thank you all for your wonderful messages and amazing support. Keep sending your blessings and supporting this Kralkur. Today I'm showing you how to make handles of different shapes for different marks and how to attach them. So keep watching. Hope you all will again love this video. Happy watching. So here what I am doing, I am making coil or we can say rolling out clay, and I am checking what size and length will look good on this particular shape thingy which I'll show you later. So I'm here deciding what use should I put this shape product. Let's see at the end. So this is the thing, and I'm just checking the handle. It should be done like this way or the other way. I'm still making it in my head. So whenever I make any product, it comes into my mind what to do with it. So I think this way it's good. It's like a traditional bundle. Na kang who's asan. So it will be like that mini, which can be used to serve chutney or you can say some salan. We can use it for that. Let's see I can make it or not. As shape of handle is decided, so this is the technique how to fix handle with my mini kang, which we can put in some use in our kitchens or restaurants or wherever where our heart says. So there is no particular bounding that you have to use it for this thing only. So just use it the way you want to, and let's see how it goes. And this is the process to attach the handle properly so that it will be strongly attached, and it won't fall off when in use or while firing or while glazing. So it should come as a strong handle so that whenever we carry this particular item, तो ऐसा ना हो कि हैंडल से उठाया और गिर गया और टूट गया और फिर बोले यार क्रालकुर क्या प्रोडक्ट बनाते हैं, बकवास प्रोडक्ट बनाते हैं. सो नो, नॉट एट ऑल. सो इट शुड बी लाइक वाओ, it's so strong, like we all women are. So here it is like piercing with the pin tool. The piercing is already done on the clay pot. So with this also I'm using the slurry so that they can strongly join a strong bond like best friends. Right? So this is the way. I'm going to show you while attaching anything, whether it's handle or any other clay thing. We need to make small clay coils that acts as adhesive like Fevicol, and then it needs to be merged with the area of attachment. So it's like I'm merging it so that they can strongly connect it and they never break up na ho inka. and after merging, and this process I'll show you in detail in a couple of minutes. So yeah, it's not couple of minutes. I'm showing it in couple of seconds. This is the mug, jug type mug where I'm attaching the handle with it, and this is the other type of handle I have made according to the size and weight and the shape of the mug. So I decided to give this look to this handle, and I'm making small clay coils. Now I will. There are 2 points where it is attaching. These two things are attaching to each other. So there I have to roll it around so that it can act as an adhesive. So you can see यहाँ पे मैंने कर दिया. अब नीचे भी एक जगह है, वहाँ पे I will also start making a small पतला coil of clay only, and now I am fixing it here. Now what I will do after fixing this coil, yeah, all around, so कोई जगह नहीं बचनी चाहिए. And now I'll take my tool and slurry first. With slurry is the uh, clay with lot of water, which while making the product, comes out on hands and all. So that's called slurry. So with the slurry and this tool, I'm merging it. I'm making it sure so that is smoothly attached to it, so it looks one. It gives a smooth finish and it's attached properly. Again, I'm saying so strong, like best friends, ताकि इनका breakup ना हो जाए. So this is the product, how it will look. So thank you everyone for watching the entire video. I hope you liked the process. So these are the products from the Kralkur studio, the mug and the small conch shaped product which can be used for whatever you like to. And please keep supporting this Kralkur. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe my channel Kralkur and press the bell icon. Thank you so much.